Question 15. A town has a population of 120,000, correct to the nearest 10,000, and an area of 54 kilometers, correct to the nearest whole number. Write the upper bound of the population. All right, to get this, you'd find like the accuracy for a bit. So this one, the accuracy is 10,000, and you divide it by 2, which gives you 5,000. Then to get the upper bound, you add it on. So 120,000 breaks up into adding on it, so 125,000, and the lower bound is 115,000. This one just wants the upper bound, so 125,000. I know that that would round up to 130,000. Okay, I am aware of that. However, we use it as the upper bound because that is the point where everything changes. So that is why that we use that as the upper bound. Alright, we need to calculate the upper bound of the population density. Always write down all of the upper and lower bounds, because then if you pick the wrong one to do your sums, you're at least going to get the marks for writing down the different things on there. Alright, so we've got the population one, which we did just before. We've also got the area. That's been to the nearest whole number. Half of a whole number is a half. So upper bound 54.5, lower bound 53.5. Okay, to get population density, we need to do the population divided by the area. Okay, now we want to get a large answer because we want the upper bound. Now to get the largest answer, we want to have a big number divided by a small number, because if you're splitting it up into less parts, then each part is going to be bigger. So that means I want the biggest population divided by the smallest area. So 125,000 divided by the smallest area, the 53.5. Stick that into a calculator, so 125,000 divided by 53.5 equals 236.4, sorry, 2,336.4 ... So, and we could just round that to the nearest whole number, or you can just leave that. I'm just going to put 2336 people per kilometre squared.